Welcome to Trivia on Tap, where we prepare you to win bar trivia and increase your general knowledge. Subscribe for daily trivia videos and comment below with how many answers you got correct. Let's get started with some Booker Prize winners trivia. Which author won the Booker Prize for Life of Pi? Is it A. Salman Rushdie, B. Arundhati Roy, C. Jan Martel, or D. Kazuo Ishiguro? The correct answer is C. Jan Martel. Which novel by Hilary Mantel won the Booker Prize in 2009? Is it A. Wolf Hall, or B. A Place of Greater Safety, or C. Bring Up the Bodies, or D. Beyond Black? The correct answer is A. Wolf Hall. Which Salman Rushdie novel won the Booker Prize in 1981? A. The Ground Beneath Her Feet, or B. Shalimar the Clown, or C. The Satanic Verses, or D. Midnight's Children? The correct answer is D. Midnight's Children. Who is the author of the 1997 Booker Prize-winning novel The God of Small Things? Is it A. Jhumpa Lahiri, or B. Arundhati Roy, or C. Kiran Desai, or D. Salman Rushdie? The correct answer is B. Arundhati Roy. Who won the Booker Prize in 2008 for The White Tiger? Is it A. Salman Rushdie, or B. Kiran Desai, or C. Amitav Ghosh, or D. Aravind Adiga? The correct answer is D. Aravind Adiga. Which author won the Booker Prize for The Remains of the Day in 1989? Is it A. Salman Rushdie, or B. Haruki Murakami, or C. Ian McEwan, or D. Kazuo Ishiguro? The correct answer is D. Kazuo Ishiguro. Who wrote the Booker Prize-winning novel Wolf Hall? A. Ian McEwan, or B. Zadie Smith, or C. Julian Barnes, or D. Hilary Mantel? The correct answer is D. Hilary Mantel. Which novel by Margaret Atwood won the Booker Prize in 2000? Is it A. The Handmaid's Tale, or B. The Blind Assassin, or C. Alias Grace, or D. Oryx and Crake? The correct answer is B. The Blind Assassin. Who is the author of The English Patient, the Booker Prize-winning novel? Is it A. Ian McEwan, or B. Michael Ondaatje, or C. Salman Rushdie, or D. Julian Barnes? The correct answer is B. Michael Ondaatje. Which Irish author won the Booker Prize in 2005 for The Sea? Is it A. Colm Toibin, or B. John Banville, or C. James Joyce, or D. Roddy Doyle? The correct answer is B. John Banville. Which author won the Booker Prize in 2014 for The Narrow Road to the Deep North? Is it A. Julian Barnes, or B. Ian McEwan, or C. Richard Flanagan, or D. Hilary Mantel? The correct answer is C. Richard Flanagan. Who wrote The Blind Assassin, which won the Booker Prize in 2000? Is it A. Toni Morrison, or B. Margaret Atwood, or C. J.K. Rowling, or D. Jane Austen? The correct answer is B. Margaret Atwood. Which novel by Kiran Desai won the Booker Prize in 2006? Is it A. Midnight's Children, or B. The God of Small Things, or C. The Inheritance of Loss, or D. The Color Purple? The correct answer is C. The Inheritance of Loss. Who is the author of Disgrace, the Booker Prize-winning novel? A. J.M. Coetzee, Kazuo Ishiguro, C. Salman Rushdie, Ian McEwan. A. J.M. Coetzee, or B. Kazuo Ishiguro, or C. Salman Rushdie, or D. Ian McEwan? The correct answer is A. J.M. Coetzee. Which novel by J.M. Coetzee won the Booker Prize in 1999? Is it A. Foe, or B. Life and Times of Michael K., or C. Disgrace, or D. Waiting for the Barbarians? The correct answer is C. Disgrace. Which author won the Booker Prize in 1993 for Patty Clark Ha Ha Ha? Is it A. Colm Toibin, or B. Roddy Doyle, or C. Ian McEwan, or D. James Joyce? The correct answer is B. Roddy Doyle. Which novel by Roddy Doyle won the Booker Prize? Is it A. The Snapper, or B. Patty Clark Ha Ha Ha, or C. The Woman Who Walked Into Doors, or D. The Commitments? The correct answer is B. Patty Clark Ha Ha Ha. Who is the author of the 2004 Booker Prize-winning novel The Line of Beauty? A. Ian McEwan, or B. Hilary Mantel, or C. Julian Barnes, or D. Alan Hollinghurst? The correct answer is D. Alan Hollinghurst. Which novel by Anne Wright won the Booker Prize in 2007? Is it A. The Green Road, or B. The Forgotten Waltz, or C. The Wig My Father Wore, or D. The Gathering? The correct answer is D. The Gathering. Who wrote The Luminaries, which won the Booker Prize in 2013? Is it A. Salman Rushdie, or B. Eleanor Catton, or C. Margaret Atwood, or D. Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie? The correct answer is B. Eleanor Catton. Which novel by George Saunders won the Booker Prize in 2017? Is it A. Civil War Land in Bad Decline, or B. 10th of December, or C. Lincoln in the Bardo, or D. Pastoralia? The correct answer is C. Lincoln in the Bardo. Who is the author of Schindler's Ark, the Booker Prize-winning novel? A. John Boyne, or B. Julian Barnes, or C. Thomas Keneally, or D. Ian McEwan? The correct answer is C. Thomas Keneally. Which novel by Thomas Keneally won the Booker Prize in 1982? Is it A. Gossip from the Forest, or B. The Chant of Jimmy Blacksmith, or C. Schindler's Ark, or D. Confederate General from Big Sur? The correct answer is C. Schindler's Ark. Who won the Booker Prize in 1985 for The Bone People? A. Iris Murdoch, or B. Salman Rushdie, or C. Margaret Atwood, or D. Carrie Holm? The correct answer is D. Carrie Holm. Who is the author of Midnight's Children, the Booker Prize-winning novel? Is it A. Jhumpa Lahiri, or B. Vikram Seth, or C. Arundhati Roy, or D. Salman Rushdie? The correct answer is D. Salman Rushdie. Which novel by Penelope Lively won the Booker Prize in 1987? A. The Photograph, or B. Passing On, or C. Cleopatra's Sister, or D. Moon Tiger? The correct answer is D. Moon Tiger. Who wrote The Famished Road, which won the Booker Prize in 1991? Is it A. Chimamanda Adichie, or B. Chinua Achebe, or C. Ben Okri, or D. Wole Soyinka? The correct answer is C. Ben Okri. Which novel by Ben Okri won the Booker Prize? A. The Famished Road, or B. Star Book, or C. Infinite Riches, or D. Dangerous Love? The correct answer is A. The Famished Road. Which novel by D.B.C. Pierre won the Booker Prize in 2003? Is it A. Release the Bats, or B. Vernon God Little, or C. Lights Out in Wonderland, or D. Ludmila's Broken English? The correct answer is B. Vernon God Little. Who is the author of The Finkler Question, the Booker Prize-winning novel? Is it A. Howard Jacobson, or B. Hilary Mantel, or C. Ian McEwan, or D. Julian Barnes? The correct answer is A. Howard Jacobson. Who wrote Milkman, which won the Booker Prize in 2018? Is it A. Margaret Atwood, or B. Anna Burns, or C. Sally Rooney, or D. Zadie Smith? The correct answer is B. Anna Burns. Which novel by Anna Burns won the Booker Prize? A. North Star, or B. The Fire Starter, or C. Milkman, or D. The Sentinel? The correct answer is C. Milkman. Who is the author of Vernon God Little, the Booker Prize-winning novel? A. D.B.C. Pierre, or B. Ian McEwan, or C. Hilary Mantel, or D. Julian Barnes? The correct answer is A. D.B.C. Pierre. Who wrote The Inheritance of Loss, which won the Booker Prize in 2006? Is it A. Jhumpa Lahiri, or B. Arundhati Roy, or C. Salman Rushdie, or D. Kiran Desai? The correct answer is D. Kiran Desai. Which author won the Booker Prize in 2015 for A Brief History of Seven Killings? Is it A. Margaret Atwood, or B. Salman Rushdie, or C. Marlon James, or D. Kazuo Ishiguro? The correct answer is C. Marlon James. Which novel by Marlon James won the Booker Prize? A. A Brief History of Seven Killings, or B. John Crow's Devil, or C. Black Leopard, Red Wolf, or D. The Book of Night Women? The correct answer is A. A Brief History of Seven Killings. Who is the author of The Conservationist, the Booker Prize-winning novel? Is it A. Nadine Gordimer, or B. Doris Lessing, or C. Arundhati Roy, or D. J.M. Coetzee? The correct answer is A. Nadine Gordimer. Who wrote Hotel du Lac, which won the Booker Prize in 1984? Is it A. Doris Lessing, or B. Anita Brookner, or C. Ian McEwan, or D. Julian Barnes? The correct answer is B. Anita Brookner. Which novel by Anita Brookner won the Booker Prize? Is it A. Hotel du Lac, or B. Look at Me, or C. Dolly, or A Start in Life? The correct answer is A. Hotel du Lac. Who is the author of Heat and Dust, the Booker Prize-winning novel? Is it A. Salman Rushdie, or B. Arundhati Roy, Ruth Prower Jabvala, or D. Kiran Desai? The correct answer is C. Ruth Prower Jabvala. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.